2025 was the renovation year. It looked messy. It felt unfinished. But every breakdown made room for something better. The work is done. 2026 is going to be beautiful. Sometimes you miss the bus because you were meant to walk and see something beautiful on the way. Not every delay is bad. Sometimes life slows you down to help you, not hurt you. Maybe you're being protected. Maybe you're being redirected. So don't stress when things don't go your way. Take a breath. Keep moving. The detour might be the best part of your story.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
The reason we travel isn't to find ourselves, but to lose the person we were forced to become to survive our daily routines. Go where nobody knows your name.
Hey, breathe. Your time is not over. You're not late. You're not behind. Life isn't punishing you. It's preparing you. The things you're waiting for are waiting for the right version of you. Keep going. Your moment is on its way.
Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be the one traveller. Long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for the passing there, had worn them really about the same. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference.